Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. To everyone, welcome to the online class of contemporary taxation. Today we are conducting our 24th lecture and I am your instructor Saba Naqvi. आज हम अपना चैप्टर 7 स्टार्ट करेंगे जो है इनकम फ्रॉम सैलरी. Here is a definition of salary. A salary received by employed in a tax year other than exempt salary under the Income Tax Ordinance 2001 shall be chargeable to tax in that year under the head salary. A person is salaried person where the taxable salary exceed 50% of taxable income from all head of income. Salary mean amount received by employee for any employment, whether for a revenue or capital nature. Employee mean any individual engaged in employment. एम्प्लॉयर्स, ये सारा हमने चैप्टर 4 के स्टार्ट में पढ़ा हुआ है, वहाँ सब डेफिनेशंस वहाँ पे उसमें पार्लियामेंट्री वाले चैप्टर में. एम्प्लॉयर मीन अ पर्सन हु इज engaged, remunerate and employee. Employment includes number 1 a dictatorship or any other office involved in the management of a company. Second one is the position entitling the holder to fixed and ascertainable remuneration, and third one is the holding or acting in any public office. What is basic salary? Basic salary is the for the purpose of tax. Basic salary means the consideration received and receivable a basic salary. However, the purpose of retirement benefits basic salary include dearness allowance. Salary include the following: pay and wages and other allowance, cost of living, subsistence, rent, utilities, education, entertainment or travel allowance, including any allowance solely expenditure expended for the office purpose. And the fourth point is the any expenditure occurred by an employee but paid or reimbursed by the employer other than the office purpose. In case of other asset given by use only rental value or charged by the employer in the taxable benefit for the employee, e.g. TV is provided by the employer only for the use of employee. Salary chargeable to tax. Tax of salary. Any income tax or receipt basis shall not be taxable again actual basis and vice versa. Similarly, if any expenditure is deductible on the on due basis, then the same shall not be deducted with it is paid and vice versa. Salary paid by private company. The commissioner and the Inland Revenue, instead of chargeable tax on salary income on cash basis, may operate to the accrual basis in the case of any employee of a private company. The treatment shall be applied where the employee, in order to avoid the higher tax rate, could have entered into agreement with the employer for payment for salary is a subsequent year when his other than may be or lower side. Suppose if there is income for the sources in the current year along with income for salary, and the both as a part of total income may be result into higher rate of tax in the current year. Therefore, the employee in the consistent of employer may be differ has the full part salary to be offered to tax when the when he will not have any income for other sources that will result into low rate of tax in the subsequent tax year. Treatment of alert salary received employee may avail this option in writing for the Commissioner Inland Revenue to tax on actual basis instead cash base. The salary is paid to employee in arrears after including the arrears salary is in the current year income for the rate of tax is increased. Arrears का मतलब होता है बकाया जात. The declaration shall be made by a due date of furnishing by employee return to of the income for the tax year in which amount has received or by such later date as the Commission in Revenue may allow.